All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Triple B Collectibles and Bergie's Box Breaks, coming to you from 893 Randolph Avenue in St. Paul, Minnesota, the home of Triple B Collectibles and Bergie's Box Breaks, where you can score. I'm just trying to think of something crazy. Anyhow, it's December 3rd, 2019. It is currently 8:36 p.m. We had the ladies and gentlemen come in and say, let's buy this breakout, and finally we sold it out. And Ryan E came in and said, all right, Bergie, done. I'm buying the last three. Let's go. So this is a Upper Deck Black Diamond 2-box break, random teams, 15 spots total times 2. What that means is I'm going to take this list here of names. I am going to copy it. I'm going to double it up like that right there. And then I'm going to grab the list. So Ryan E should have 2-spot mojo. Joe S should have an eyebrow mojo on 2 spots. So we'll copy that. We'll go over here to random.org. We'll grab a new list randomizer. We'll put it in there. We'll come and grab ourselves 2 dice right here with a dice roller. We'll roll 2 virtual dice and we'll roll the names first. The Carolina Hurricanes are not in the break. They are. If we pull a Carolina Hurricanes, it's randomized between all of you owners. So those 3 boxes there, we're going to open up 2 out of the 3. Here we go. 1 and a 5, 6 times. Come over to the list. 6 times. Bergie's brain got to work. So Ryan E, as you see there. And then Joe S, and then right there you see Joe S. So there you go. It should come out with 30. Here we go. 1. We're going 6. 30 spots. 2. Good luck. 3, 4, 5, and number 6. 6 times. There's a list. Ryan E, last spot mojo in the bottom, and David P in first place. Way to go, David P. As you see, the Hurricanes right here are the team that if we do pull it, they will go to, everybody will have a chance in the randomizer. So Ducks on down to the Jets. Vegas is in this box. We'll come over here. We'll grab ourselves a new list randomizer right there. We'll go over here. We'll grab 2 new dice. Roll in the dice 4 times on the list. Good luck. Here's the list. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There it is. 4 times. Minnesota Wild up to the Columbus Blue Jackets. So like I said, this is a random teams break. 15 spots times 2. So David P, you got the Columbus Blue Jackets. Roger S, you got the Coyotes. Brad C with the Kings. Theo F with the Panthers. Roger S with the Rangers. Roger with the Lightning and the Blues. Brad C's got the Canadians and the Canucks. Ryan's got the Oilers. Roger S has got the Jets. Joe S with eyebrow mojo with my Islanders. Dave N with the Devils. Dave N with the Devils. Nice, Dave. Joe S with the Flames. Dave N with the Avalanche too. What the heck? Dude, you rolling, baby. You rolling fat right now. EJ with the Maple Leafs. David P with the Blackhawks. Brad C with the Predators. Ryan E with the Sharks and the Ducks. Joe S with the Penguins. Brad C with the Red Wings. Joe S Senators. Brad C with the Caps. What'd you guys do? Did you guys pay off random.org when I rolled those dice or what? EJ with the Bruins, Roger S with the Stars, Ryan E last spot mojo with the Sabres, Theo F with the Vegas Golden Knights. Nice. Might pull you a glass. Ryan E with the Flyers and Ryan E with the Wild, my Wild. Let's pull you some magic. Wow, that was absolutely bonkers, man. That's awesome. You know, random.org, I love these kind of breaks. So let me just take this out of here. Let me delete that there. Let me come up here, delete this here. It says enter. Enter there. So let's just go back over, make sure. Control C, didn't want to enter. Delete. There we go. Control C. Let's go over to the break side. Let me just add this in here real quick. Delete, update, that, like that. Black diamond. Copy that. Like that. Let's make sure that's running right. St. Louis Blues is Roger S. I'm going to go over and sort. A to Z, and I'll show you over here real quick. So there's your teams. Now let's just go over and Arizona is Roger S. Kings are Brad C. So the line's right. The teams and names are not alphabetized. So as you can see, that's the way they came out of random.org right there. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to walk over here and we're going to go to random.org one more time. And I'm just going to go to the home and I'm going to roll between 1 and 3. I'm going to roll it twice. So here's the boxes that we're going to pick. Box 1, box 2, or box 3. 1, 2, 3. First box is 2. Next box is 3. So 1 and 2 and 3 are going. 1's going to sit back off to the side, chill out, bake a little bit longer, and say, yeah. All right. So there's that. There's this. Let's rip it. Good luck. Where'd my knife go? Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. I might have to turn off one of my lights back here. First box of Black Diamond this year that I've opened up. And do you want to know something really interesting? This is the first box of Black Diamond I've ever opened online, I believe, as a breaker. Bam! 2 packs, 6 cards inside. One exquisite pack. Ooh! Bonus pack, 1 card. Ooh, it's a fat card too. And here is our other one. There's a UPC on the back, on the bottom. I'm going to keep that as my memento. Let's see, where is my... Now, if I remember, Black Diamond has... let me grab one of these blanks. Black Diamond has a small hit on the bottom. So we can move that to the bottom, from the bottom up if I remember right. So, empty. So if I remember right, this one on the bottom can come forward, which is a Rookie Gems Black Diamonds Adam Fox. 213 out of 399. New York Rangers. Boom! Roger S. right there. Congratulations. That's 100 point. Too small. There you go, man. Congrats. Next one is going to be a Nikita Kucherov. Man, these are cool looking. 143 out of 249. Tampa Bay Lightning. Nikita Kucherov. Tampa Bay. Next one, Tampa Bay Lightning was Roger S. Next one, oh, dude, it's a diamond. It's a diamond. I'm going down one. I'm going down one. We got a diamond hit. We got a diamond, folks. Dustin Bufflin, diamond in the rough relics. Winnipeg Jets, Roger S. Very nice. Congratulations. Roger S. And I believe it'll go just fine and dandy into there. I'm going to pull the next one from the bottom. Oh, look at this Ryan Poling patch. Look at this patch, folks. Now, this patch, I believe, you can collect all the pieces and it makes the logo. Jumbo, Team Jumbo. Look at that. Oh, my. Congratulations, Montreal Canadiens. You have just hit a nice hit. Brad C. Congrats, man. There you go. That's a sick looking patch, man. Wow. Big old fat card. Big old thick stock. Congratulations. Nice. Now, for the diamond. Are you ready? Are you ready? Black diamond. This is a diamond, it looked like. Oh, Mario Lemieux 4. Oh my God, 3 out of 5. Oh, what the hell? Boom, bam. Look at that, folks. 3 out of 5 quad diamond just hit here at Triple B Collectibles and Bergie's Box Breaks. Oh, super, super sick. Wow. Wow. Put me on the board, baby. Put me on the board. Mario Lemieux, Joe S. You just got paid. Wow. Oh, this just gives me the chills, man. That's my first quad ever that I've touched. Smells like money. Wow. Super sick card. Quad. Mario Lemieux. Exquisite pack. Right. Exquisite pack is of card. One card. And it is of the Arizona Coyotes. And it is a rookie patch of Barrett Hayton. Barrett Hatton, 40 out of 299. Look at that. 3-color patch. Exquisite rookie materials. Arizona is on the board. Roger S. Roger S, you're just killing it right now. His teams are just popping for him. He's like, yeah, Bergie, keep going. There you go. Let's go to the second box. Good luck, gentlemen. Last box. 2-box break. I love these little box breaks. Oh, I got to take a picture of that diamond card. That's coming home with me tonight, by the way. It will be leaving the store. Empty box. Quad diamond. Super sick. Super sick. Second pack. I got to autograph that box that came out of. I kept the box. So, one more box. Here we go. So, I'm going to... Yeah, you know what? I'll take the top card here. I'm going to take the top card, and then I'm going to take the bottom card. Brett Burns, San Jose Sharks. Ryan E. 222 out of 249. There you go. Little Brett Burns. I'm hoping to call everybody's name tonight. It's only 2 boxes, though, so... Congratulations. Next card I'm going to take from the bottom is Rookie Gems. Look at this. Barrett Hatton. 189 out of 399. Arizona. You just got 2. Roger S. Pulled the rookie off the bottom. We got the exquisite patch on one. In the other box, you got his gem. So those rookie gems. Congratulations, 189 out of 399. And man, should I pull from the bottom? Yeah, we'll do it from the bottom again. Boom! Look at this, Black Diamond Kings. Porhokian. Nikolai. We just talked about him. I said he was a rookie for the LA Kings. Look at that. Brad C. 66 out of 99. Look at that gloss. Look at that shine. LA Kings. Another one. 66 out of 99. Short print. I want an RPA is what I want. I want to see an RPA come out. That's too skinny for that, but we'll put it in there for right now. Not just yet. Not just yet. There's still 3 cards left. There's still 3 cards yet. Rangers. Look at this. Capo Caco. I told you guys. I told you he was going to be around. Look at that. I said we might pull him, and look at that. We pulled him. Look at that patch. RK. Rangers. Rangers. Roger S. Capo Caco. Bergie got the boxes, baby. Bergie's got the boxes. Look at that. Wow. Wow. And unfortunately, I'm going home when I'm done with this break. You all going to buy some Black Diamond now 5-box break? Come on, folks. Here's your last hit out of the box. I'm going to flip it around. The Black Diamond. Is it a diamond card? It is a card of... Boom! Rookie Gems. Eric Brandstrom. Autographed. Silver ink. 69 out of 199. Ottawa Senators. The Ottawa Senators are Joe S. with the first spot, Eyebrow Mojo. And we got 1 card left, the exquisite pack. They ain't gonna fit in that one. It's gonna fit in 55 though. Nope. Really? 75. There it goes. Nice. Congrats. Last card out of the break. And it is of boom, Rookie Collections, 182 out of 299 of Joel Fabry for the Philadelphia Flyers. Bam. Ryan E. All right, folks. That was some 2-box break of some super serious, wild and crazy stuff. Fun, fun, fun. I'm actually going to take this whole box, these 2 boxes home with me tonight. So there you go. We pulled ourselves a Black Diamond quad Mario Lemieux 3 of 5. Holy schmokums. That's it. That's it. Wow. That's just crazy. Thanks for buying in. Thanks for getting into the break. I appreciate it. 2 boxes. We got 5 boxes to go. Pick your team in the store. Triple B Collectibles and Burns Box Breaks. That was the coolest, thrilling sensation I've had in a long time of opening up cards. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the break. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. So feel sorry for some of us. Feel happy for some of us. I'm stoked for that quad. Peace out. God bless. And thanks for watching Triple B Collectibles and Bergie's Box Breaks. Later.